Hello everyone, how una dey? So today I go dey tell una or I go teach una how I take dey do my glow art. Like those ones wey be say if you draw finish for paper, then you snap am for your phone, then you come put am for software, you come glow am, you come be like say the thing dey glow. Something like this, something like all this one that I've done here. Something like all these ones wey I don do for this place. You dey see them. So the app wey I dey use na app wey dey call Procreate. This is the app here, procreate. So what I just do when I enter the app, then I create new canvas, or if the picture that I took from my sketch is quality enough, I just import the picture. Just import the picture. And when importing the picture, first thing I do is I just create a new layer on top the picture layer. Then I turn the layer opacity to 50. After turning it to 50, when I turn it to 50, I'll just from here make the color black and color fill it. This color filling just help to make it darker. Like now, light no fit shine without darkness. If everywhere is shiny, you cannot make something glow. So it just help to make it darker. Then I add a new layer. Then I start my effects or anything that you call it. I use add, sometimes I use overlay, and so anyone that works for you, anything you can just do it. Then for my brushes, I just go to maybe my Luma's brush and just kind of like start adding lights to it. So with this one, you can just add any kind of lights you want to add, any kind of effects, clean the ones you want to clean. And then it will be normal. So the one I did for this art piece is this. So you can see it now. This is how I did it, and it's looking kind of cool. So look at the layers. I just made, you can see this one, made it 50, the opacity. Then I added some overlay layers with some colors and the rest, and that's it. We have it. Then I can just do something cool like this, add the picture above it, and then bring a cleaner brush and just do like this for some kind of cool review. So that's it, guys. That's how I do glow art on Procreate.